Hello everyone, today I am solving another question of GATE Maths 2022. In this question, the first derivative of a function f is approximated by an interpolating polynomial of degree 2 using the data -1, f of -1 and 0, f of 0 and 2, f of 2. It is found that f dash 0 approximate value -2 by 3 into f of -1 plus alpha into f of 0 plus beta into f of 2. Then the value of 1 upon alpha into beta. Option A is 9, option B is 12, option C is 6 and option D is 3. Now, given that 2-degree polynomial, let f of x equal to a into x square plus bx plus c and points are given. We have to find the value of 1 upon alpha into beta. Now from equation 1 and 2, f of -1 is equal to a minus b plus c, f of 0 is equal to c and f of 2 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c and f dash 0 is equal to b. All these values put in equation 3 and we have b is equal to -2 by 3 into a minus b plus c plus alpha into c plus beta into 4a plus 2b plus c. Now rearrange the term and we have a into -2 by 3 plus 4 beta plus b into -1 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 into beta plus c into -2 by 3 plus alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Equation 4 is satisfied when -2 by 3 plus 4 beta is equal to 0. We have beta is equal to 1 by 6. Also -1 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 beta is equal to 0. We have beta is equal to 1 by 6 again and -2 by 3 plus alpha plus beta is equal to 0 implies that alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So the value of alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 12, hence 1 upon alpha into beta is equal to 12. Thank you.